Maraming nakakaunawa, maraming nagmamahal sa'yo, marami ring hindi nakakaunawa, marami ring masasakit na salita ang iyong pinagdadaanan.
Opo.
Do you care?
No po.
Do you read comments?
Before, pero ngayon, binalaan po kasi ako ni OB ay kay Dr. Aquino. Sabi niya, wag na wag daw po. Kasi ako malakas yung loob ko na, hindi, sanay naman ako dyan. Pero iba nga daw po ngayon dahil sa hormones ko. So, dead man lang.
But your family is supportive.
Opo.
Comes are supportive. The kids are supportive. That's what matters.
Opo.
Diba? Sorry. Oh,
Okay
hormones
naman.
yun. That's why you're emotional. Let's do fast talk.
Yan. Ayun na.
Ay, Jessie o Jessica?
Jessie.
Loud, proud.
Proud.
Guwapo, maginoo.
Magino.
Seloso, romantiko.
Pareho.
Todo magmahal, todo rumakit.
Todo magmahal.
Morning sickness, afternoon delight.
Afternoon din.
Acting o vlogging.
Pareho.
Aljur Abrenica o Paulo Avellino?
Nahirapan. Paulo.
Paulo Avellino o John Manuel?
John Manuel.
Your favorite starstruck artista test?
Yung kissing scene namin ni Pao.
Your least favorite artista test?
Parang lahat naman.
Guilty or not guilty? Nagpasaway sa staff?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Niligawan ng lalaki?
Guilty.
Sinabi mo di tayo talo. Na guilty or not guilty? Nanligaw ng actress?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Na in love sa co-survivor?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May nakaaway na co-survivor?
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsabay na relasyon?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakipagrelasyon ng walang label?
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Ini-stalk ang ex sa social media?
Not guilty.
Good man, lucky man.
Good man.
Mahal mo, mahal ka.
Mahal ko.
Lights on, lights off.
Dim lights.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Morning.
Complete the title, this sentence. Proud ako sa sarili ko dahil...
I'm a trans dad.
Jessie, ikaw nang nagsabi, kumusta yung love team na yun with Paulo Avellino? And your best memories nung Starstruck time, yung season 4 ng Starstruck. And I wanted to ask you this question, very, very personal question. One day, baby is gonna ask you, is gonna have a conversation with you. Tapos sasabihin niya, that difficult question of, Dad, bakit ikaw rin ang mom ko? Paano mo sasagutin yon sa iyong sariling anak?